Good morning, it's Erin here. I am in the Dominican Republic staying at the newly opened Club Med Miches Resort. Got my little Club Med bracelet on and Michael's joining me on this trip. It's been a while since Michael and I went on a trip together because he has been very busy finishing up getting his MBA and I have been traveling, having a grand old time. Anyway, Michael and I are going to take you guys along with us as we enjoy Club Med. So we are heading to the breakfast buffet right now. Let's go in.
Welcome to breakfast.
We are walking down to the other beach and we're gonna go jet surfing. The first time I ever heard about it was a few days ago and we tried it yesterday and it was so much fun. So we're going to get on that super early today before it gets crowded. I just had the best time jet surfing and I found this beach. This is honestly paradise. We have it all to ourselves.
My dream materialized, and there were you. I'm struggling to realize it's true. Straight from the love.
So this was easily one of my favorite beaches I've ever been to. Just to hang out, have some quiet time. It's so pretty. Anyway, we're getting a little thirsty. We're gonna go to the Emerald Jungle adult pool and have a beverage. It might take a while to walk there because we did a little bit of an exploration, but should get there pretty soon and I will see you guys over there. Well, we made it back to the resort. This is the best weather we've had this entire trip.
C'est magnifique.
C'est magnifique. We are bronzing today. I'm so thirsty.
Bronzing time to go to the pool to have the, you say, a drink in the afternoon, something to quench the thirst because we are parched.
Nous allons à la piscine maintenant parce que j'ai soif. Parce que j'ai soif. That's how you say
Huh?
I'm thirsty.
Ok, vamos a la piscina porque tenemos thirst
Oh my
y
god.
necesitamos.
Everyone here speaks either Spanish or French. Michael knows a little Spanish. I know a little French, but not quite enough
we
to.
get by.
Yeah, we get by. We're coming right up to the Emerald Jungle pool shortly, and you better believe I'm gonna jump right in as soon as I get there.
That's yours.
Yeah, looks like it.
We've got all of the other influencers here shooting for Club Med. Let's go.
We made it to the top of the mountain and there's a whole setup up here. All these shops and the view is absolutely incredible. Yeah.
Everyone's here.
So I'm back from dinner, which was really nice. We had a group dinner with all of the influencers that were here shooting at the resort. And I just took a bath and just tending to all of the mosquito bites and sand flea bites on my body because there's so many. It's already 11 p.m. I honestly don't know why the days go by so fast here. Also, I'm vlogging on my iPhone 11 because my vlog camera is officially broken. So I just ordered a new vlog camera, so the next time I see you guys, it will be on that. So that's very exciting. But for now, the phone will do. Okay, just wanted to say that. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.